guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to introduce our new SSO functionality. This feature was being introduced a while ago, so now only got a time to record a video about this feature. Like, I think most of our new users doesn't know about this functionality in our chatbot, so I just want to introduce. So this feature is only supported or only works on Omnichannel, because when you create an Omnichannel, you get the option to connect multiple channels. Like when you have a chatbot created in an Omnichannel, you must be connecting into multiple various channels like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, even WhatsApp. So the reason why we have an SSO functionality is to create a master profile where all the user interactions from the same user is interacting from multiple channels. We could sync everything to under one single master profile. So that was the main reason why we have created this feature. So let me show you how does it works, or how you can set it up. So let's open your chatbot builder, which is connected or it's created on your Omnichannel. Let's wait. Yeah, now it's loading. Here you can see in settings, go to the settings tab. Once you click on it, you can find the SSO settings. So just click on it. So by default it will be disabled when you are creating in your workspace. You need to enable it. Either you can select the basic or advanced. Like for your preference, basic is pretty simple and easy to set it up. If you go into advanced, if you want this thing to be you have little more control over how you want to decide the login, which flow you want to set it up. Like everything you can set it up. You can everything is pretty straightforward. Let's go with the basic. Currently in the providers we have Facebook and Google only. So either Google profile, or if you're selecting Google, that means the user has to sign in with their Google profile. So this is a settings. Either you need to set for Google or Facebook, that you need to decide. You can't have both of them, either Google or Facebook, that you can do. So these messages can be customizable. Once you've done everything, once you select basic, what you have to do is just click on the save button. You will get a message like that, updated successfully. So now let me show you how does it work, how you can enable the SSO in the chatbot flows. So if you go to your builder, like every starting block has something called, let me edit the flow. So every flow has a starting block, which is the node, starting node, that you can find. So basically this is a main flow, like it's already set it up. If you go to the automations, you find something called default replay. Like every time when somebody types something or the bot cannot understand, we are triggering the specific flow. That is a flow. I already set it up an SSO demo. So let me show you that flow. So the starting block, you will find an option like this, SSO required. That means whenever the chatbot trigger the specific flow, it will check whether there is an SSO profile created for that user. If not, we will trigger the SSO action. Then once they sign up, then this flow will be executed. Like, let me turn it on. So now the SSO feature is required for this flow. Whenever this flow is being triggered, then only this specific function, we are directly calling our main function from this flow. So let's preview this. Let's have a look at it. How does it look like? Basically inside the chatbot, we are triggering the default flow, which is the SSO flow I have connected. So if I click on sign in, it will open up the Google profile. That from there you need to select your Google account which you want to connect with, and then only we can sync. Like if I am doing it from the WhatsApp also, when I get this option, I need to use the same Google account, then only it will sync and create the master profile. So I'm coming to that spot. I will show you how does it look like on the WhatsApp. So we are on the WhatsApp chatbot. Let's preview how does it look like. So this message can't be displayed on web because it can only be seen in the visible only on the latest version of WhatsApp. Let me open up the WhatsApp. Let's open WhatsApp. So I'm opening it on WhatsApp. Here you can see we have the sign in option, because like we have this update recently made, like you can open URLs inside a WhatsApp button. For that you don't need to use any template messages. So our platform now support or links or website URL or any document URL you can directly open inside the WhatsApp button itself. Earlier in normal WhatsApp message it wasn't supported, but currently this only supports on the WhatsApp app. If you are using the web version, it won't have the web view, it won't work. So here you can see please sign in to continue. If you click on the sign in option, it will same thing will happen. It can select the Google profile which you want to connect with. After signing, you will get the thank you message. Also the WhatsApp chatbot will start working. So here you can see we got the message. The chatbot is triggering. So let's see at the back end. We have a profile created. You can see a WhatsApp and 2 web browser we have connected under the same profile. So in this way you can have your own SSO function or SSO. You can have a sign-in option that you can provide this. In this way you can provide a sign-in option to your chatbot project, so that if you are on multiple channels you're connected, you can sync the same user from multiple channels under one master profile using the SSO function in our platform. So if you have further questions, feel free to comment below in this video, or please reach out to us on our support. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.